Students, today our topic is Physiography of Asia or Physical Features of Asia. On the basis of Physiography of Asia, we divide Asia into 5 parts. First is Northern Lowland, number 2 is Central Highlands, number 3 is Plateaus, number 4 River Basin or the Great River Valleys, and number 5 last one is Islands. Now we are going to discuss one by one all. First is Northern Lowlands. Like from the name Northern Lowlands, it means it is situated in north side of the Asia and its border is up to Arctic Ocean. In the Northern Lowlands, we have two major plains, Siberian Plain and Turan Plain. The northern part of the lowland is called Siberian Plain and it is the largest continuous plain in the world. Underline this line. It is the means Siberian plain is the largest continuous plain in the world. It extends from Ural Mountain. It starts from Ural Mountains in the west and it will go up to Bering Sea in the east. Slope of the plain is from south to north. Why? Because deposition of silt. This deposition of silt brought by 3 rivers and their tributaries. Name of the river is Ob, Yansi and Liana. Due to that, these plains are Siberian plain is very fertile plain. As you know, Russia is the third largest producer of the wheat. All these 3 rivers are originated from the mountains from the Central Asia and it's merged into the Arctic Ocean. Okay. Now second is Turan Plain. Turan Plain lies to the south of the Siberian plain and it is also extend towards southwestern Kazakhstan, northwestern of Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan, and it's also vast lowland. Okay, the Turan Plain is low-lying area surrounding the Aral Sea, and Aral Sea is an area of inland drainage. Inland drainage means any sea which do not merge in the ocean or a sea but empty their waters in a lake or an inland sea. Like this Aral Sea, it does not merge into the ocean. So it is Aral Sea is a inland drainage sea. It is drained by the Amu Darya river and the Sair Darya river. From where water comes in the Aral Sea? From the Amu Darya river and the Sair Darya rivers. Due to that, it's also fed by the 2 Darya. Due to this Turan plain also very fertile plain. In the past, the Aral Sea was a lake. However, it did not receive sufficient water from the Amu Darya and Sair Darya. Why it's not getting sufficient water from these rivers? Because it's irrigated. People use for the irrigation. So due to that, it will get Aral Sea get less water. The loss of volume in the waters divided the lake into 2 parts. Large Aral Sea fed by the Amu Darya river and the small Aral Sea fed by the Sair Darya rivers. Now see the location of Northern Lowlands on the map. Look here, upwards, as you know, it is north side of Asia. Now this is Siberian plains. It will start from Northern Lowland. It's written also here. You can see from here. This is Ural Mountains, boundary of the Asia. It starts from here and it will go upwards up to here to the Arctic Sea in the east. Now look here, the rivers also. Which one? These are the 3 rivers here. One is Ob river. Okay, water comes from Ob here, Yansi and Liana. Look here, this is Liana river and this is here Yansi. This is Liana. Okay, it starts from here, from the Central Asia. Mountains, you can see these all brown parts is mountains. So all these 3 rivers originate from here, but it's due to, I told you slope of this is south to north. So these rivers flow from south to north and it's the end in the Arctic Ocean. It's merged into the Arctic Ocean. Look here, this is Liana, this is Ob river. This is Ob and here is Yansi also. This is Yansi river. Look here, Ob, Yansi and Liana. Due to this, It comes from south and go up to north, and it's end in the merge into the Arctic Ocean. Due to this Siberian plain is very fertile. Okay, because it's fed by 3 rivers, Ob, Bijansi and Liana. Okay, now come on the Turan plains. Look here, you can see this Aral Sea, Amu Darya and Sair Darya. This area is Turan plain. Okay, Aral Sea have 2 parts here. Here one line is here. So water from where water comes from here, Amu Darya, this Aral Sea is large part, and Sair Darya from here in the small Aral Sea. These two rivers fed this Aral Sea. So due to that, this area is also fertile plain. Okay, I hope the location of the northern lowland is clear to you people. Now come on the second point, central highlands. First I am going to show on the map also. Look at these all brown area. This is all brown area. This is central highlands. These are all mountain areas. Plateau also, you can say Tibetan plateau. This is Mongolia also, Mongolian plateau. These are all. And here is Pamir Knot. Wait. This is Pamir Knot. Okay. Look here. These are Himalaya ranges. This is Kunlun Shan, and this is the Tibetan plateau. Due to that, the Tibetan plateau is surrounded by the mountain. Due to it's called intermonate plateau. Here Pamir Knot, from here it's on the west, Hindu Kush, Suleiman, and then onwards this side is Armenian highlands, Armenian Knot. This one you can say in the west, Armenian. Under this is Caucasus mountains, Black Sea, Caspian Sea, and here down Caucasus Sea is Armenian Knot. Okay, this is Armenian Knot and this is Pamir Knot. All these mountain ranges starts from these knots. Now come here. Central highlands. To the south of the northern lowlands lie high mountain ranges of plateaus. This is north part, and this is down. This is the south part of the Asia. So all these mountain ranges comes from here. Okay. In this high mountain ranges, there is vast young fold mountain system called the Central Mountains. These young fold mountains originate from 2 mountain knots, Pamir Knot and the Armenian Knot. I have already shown you Pamir Knot and Armenian Knot. The Himalayas are the southernmost range that develops from the Pamir Knot. This is Himalaya ranges, and this is also develops from the Pamir Knot. Look here, this is Pamir Knot and this is Himalaya ranges. It's go up to Myanmar, China, all this it's covered. All these brown areas this is Himalaya ranges. Okay. The highest point of Himalaya is Mount Everest. As you know also, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Other ranges that originate from Pamir Knot and are lying north of the Himalayas. This is Himalayas, this is upwards is north. North of the Himalaya include the Kunlun, this is Kunlun Shan, Kunlun, Altai Tag and Tain Shan, and in between is Tibetan mountain, Tibetan plateau. Okay, the Tibetan plateau lies between the Himalayas and the Kunlun and Altai Tag. Due to it's called intermonate. Look here, this is Kunlun, this is Himalayas, and this is one more here, and this is the Tibetan mountains, Alantag, Kunlun and Himalaya. So this is Tibetan mountain. It is all surrounded by 3 mountains, Himalaya, Kunlun and Altai Tag. Due to it's called Tibetan plateau is an intermonate. Any plateau which is surrounded by mountain, it's called intermonate plateau or intermonate. Okay. The Tibetan plateau lies between the Himalayas, Kunlun and the Altai Tag. It is therefore known as intermonate plateau. Since it is the highest plateau in the world, it is also referred as the roof of the world. If question come, write the name roof of the world, you can write Tibetan plateau. Tibetan plateau is known as roof of the world. The Himalayas spread across Myanmar as the Arakan and the Pegu range. Look here. This is Himalaya and it is spread up to here. It's all Himalaya ranges. Okay, this is Arakan. Okay, Arakan and Pegu range. This is Arakan. It starts from here, it comes here up to here. Okay, and Pegu range. Here all. Okay. Towards northern side of the Himalayas, the Karakoram ranges. Northern sides of the Himalayas, northern side is up Karakoram ranges. This is Karakoram ranges up here, upwards. Karakoram ranges. Near upwards, not very far. This is Himalaya and it is Karakoram ranges, dwells from the Pamir Knot. And its highest peak mountain is, here is also one highest peak mountain is Godwin. Look here, it is written here also, it's the height 8611. Okay, and Mount Everest is 8848. Mount Godwin, Austin lies here, which is also the second highest peak in the world. First highest peak is Mount Everest, also in Asia, 8848. Okay, and this is Mount Godwin. It's 8611. ये तो ज़्यादा हो 8611 नहीं. Start. This is the highest peak, Mount Everest. Its height is 8848 meter, and this is the second highest peak, Godwin. Look here. This is Karakoram ranges, and this one is peak 8611. Okay. So both two world highest peaks is in Asia. Mount Everest and Mount Godwin. Okay. Now come. Next is, there are two ranges that lies to the west of the Pamir Knot. This is Pamir Knot and this is Hindu Kush and Suleiman. This is the west part of Pamir Knot. Here down, this you can see Hindu Kush and the Suleiman ranges. The Hindu Kush ranges extend, again it is extend towards westward and continues along the Caspian Sea. These are all the ranges of Hindu Kush. Elbrus mountains, you can see here it is written, this is Caspian Sea and this is down here, Elbrus mountains. Okay, so it is from the Hindu Kush, it's go from here up to west. Okay, up to it will go Caspian Sea as the Elbrus mountains. On the other, Suleiman ranges also extend up to Kirtar ranges here down, and then the Zagros. Here, this is Kirtar and then it's come here Zagros, and then again this is Zagros, and here we have Armenian Knot. The Elbrus and the Zagros coverage at the Armenian Knot. From here they diverge westwards as the Pontic Mountains. This is Pontic Mountains and the Taurus Mountain. Pontic Mountains and Taurus Mountains there, and in between is Anatolia Plateau. Between these two mountains lies the plateau of Anatolia, and it's all about the Central Asia. Again, see the location of these ones. This is Himalaya ranges, and Himalaya ranges go up to here, Myanmar, Arakan and Pegu. Okay, and then Pamir Knot on west, it's Hindu Kush and Suleiman. Hindu Kush again extend towards west up to Elbrus mountains, and you can see here Caspian Sea down here it's up, it's all west part. So Hindu Kush ranges extend up to west, and now Suleiman ranges also down towards first Kirtar ranges, then it will go again upward onto the west. Zagros, okay, Zagros again go up to here Armenian Knots, and then here is under the Black Sea, Pointer Sea and Taurus Mountains, and in between this Pointer Mountains and Taurus Mountains, in between is Plateau of Anatolia. Okay, I hope this is the Central Asia's location is also clear to you on the map. I will do again after we finish this chapter. Again we will do all these location on the map.